We have a part open here. We are going to create a new body on this given part. First, let us sketch. Let's take the sketch view, zoom in, and let us create a rectangle with dimensions 1.5 and 0.5. We'll use the dimension to set the distance between the selected edge and the sketch rectangle. Click OK to exit. Now let's extrude this, and we are going to be extruding it on both the sides. Let's specify the depth. Now before we click OK, let us create this as a new body. So new body has been created. You can see it in the model tree. We're going to chamfer this body, specify the dimensions, select the edges, and then click OK. Let's pattern these two. So select the extrude as well as the chamfer, and let's pattern it. The pattern is going to be along the direction, and we are going to select a plane to specify the direction. Here we will be selecting the number of members. So let's select the plane. Let's select the number of members and the spacing between the members. We can visualize our pattern as shown in the screen. Click OK when satisfactory. Let's reduce the number of members and then click OK. Now let's sketch an offset on this plane. Click offset, select loop, and then select the sketch. Here let's specify the dimension. As you can see, we have given a positive value, which means that the offset is going to be outside as shown. For our exercise, we will be needing it to be inside. But right now, let's go ahead and click OK. Let's extrude this sketch and see the difference between the offset within the sketch and outside the sketch. We're going to specify remove material, and as you can see, since the sketch was outside, there has been no change or removal of the body too. Now let's try to change the offset. Let's make it a negative value, which means that the offset is going to be within this sketch. Change the dimension, click OK. Now let's see what happens with our extrude. As you can see, the excess material or the extra material in the body has been removed. Now let's perform a boolean operation and subtract the two bodies. So there's a modifying body for which we are going to select body 2, and the body which is going to be modified is body 1. As you can see, removal of the material has been done,